What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Tuesday, December 29th, and I am excited to go over week one of my 52-week challenge that I am going to be doing. My goal is to be at least $15,000 in the green by the end of next year. So let's get started. As you guys can see, the stock market was a little rocky, but ended up being pretty flat. The Dow is down 0.22%, NASDAQ down 0.38%, and the S&P is down 0.22%. The crazy thing about today was Apple was all the way up to about $138, and they ended up falling down to $134.86. So let's check my profile out for today. I was started off pretty great in the green pre-market, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you, when you woke up this morning, it was in the green. So I was up to plus $634, but that definitely fell off pretty quick. I ended up actually being down 177 bucks, 0.34%. But after hours, with my option calls that I did when the stocks went back down, it was very volatile. So it did gain on that end. So after hours, I am up $201. Check the week out, I am up 1,767 bucks. The month, I am up $1,032. The 3 month, I'm up 11,368. The 1 year, I'm up 5,230. And all time, I'm up $4,023, or 8.38%. So guys, you can check it out now. I did do all my option calls either on Thursday, or I ended up doing it on Monday. So I do have Apple, Intel. I did actually sell a put on Intel. Buy a put on Intel because it did shoot up about 5 or 6%. And I do suspect them to go down by the end of the 31st. I did do Jets. I did have a new stock, Marathon Oil, Microsoft, Norwegian, T-Mobile, and Realty Income. I did do all option calls on there. So let's see exactly what I did. If you check my spreadsheet out, this is all the shares that I own. at&t, I have 1,000 shares. Realty Income 400, Apple 100, Microsoft 100, Norwegian 100, Intel 100, and Jets ETF 400. So the only new one I added was Marathon Oil. Reason why: it is a low paid dividend, but is a very inexpensive stock to have. And if you look at the options, you can almost get about $5 per 100 share per week on this. So if I have 300 shares, I can get $780 in the options a year. Total revenue of $816 with only an investment of about $2,000. That's a 40% profit rate that I could get on Marathon Oil. And this is as long as it doesn't trade too far up, too far down. My strategy for long term is to hold on to all these stocks, to do a safe option trade at 80% or higher. But this week has been a little crazy, as you guys can see. Of all the options I actually did do, I did at&t on the 23rd. I got $30 strike price at a $5 premium with 10 contracts, which gave me $50 on this end. Realty Income, I did it on the 24th. This one is almost a month out, 3 weeks out. So the strike price is $62.50. It's still in a pretty good spot. $55 premium, I did 4 contracts. Microsoft, I did this on the 24th. $227 gave me $82 premium for the week. Apple, I did on the 24th, and it absolutely skyrocketed. I think it was almost $350 in premium that it went up to, but it's back down to about 91 bucks. So I did 1 contract on that. If I would have waited 1 or 2 days today, I definitely could have made a little bit more on the premium. But for the most part, I'm happy where it's at, just because I don't have to sell Apple, and I still got a decent premium. Jets ETF, I actually made a pretty good call on this. Normal average for Jets ETF, playing it safe, is about 10 bucks. So I was able to get $20 premium with 4 contracts for this. Intel, I thought I was safe at a $28.50, only getting the $12 premium. It is at $29.50. It jumped up about 6%, but like I said, I did buy a put at $49.50. It cost me 77 bucks. But I do suspect Intel may go back down just slightly to the 40, hopefully under the $48 range. Norwegian, $26 strike price. This was a little risky because it was at 25, I believe low 25 when I did this. $21 premium, 1 contract with that. And the new one that I did was Marathon Oil. I did sell a call on this today. I got a $7 premium, which is pretty good. strike price and premium $7, and I had 3 contracts with it. Marathon Oil, I don't believe is going to move too much up and down this week. So right now I am good with Marathon Oil. And I did do Rocket. I usually don't buy calls, but I did buy a call on this Rocket. It was down to about $20.15. So I did buy a call at $20 with cost $34. It shot all the way up to about $20.75. So I did end up selling it for $76. So I did make $42, and this was like in a hour time period here. So $42, already doubled the money on what I had a risk on there. So right now the profit is 42. I'll do another video on this just to show you the outcome of all of them. Hopefully all of these expire worthless and I make a profit on this. All this is about $380 and just one premium I did for Realty Income, since this is still about 2.5 weeks out. So if we do look at this spreadsheet that I have here, so every week I will fill in the current investment total that I have here. Just to compare it, I will subtract it. This here will give you the total per stock profit or loss, and then this will be the total for the stock with the S. And then down here, this will be for the option trades that I did on this other page here, and I'll just keep track of each week that I do, and I'll give you the total for that as well. So every week I will do this. Hopefully I will be in the green, but like I said, this is my long-term portfolio. Just based on this particular stocks that I have, I estimated me to be getting a total year of $15,798. This should go up because any premium that I do get, I will be adding back into the stock. I don't know exactly which one. I may add one more or two more, but for the most part, I may just add more on the smaller stocks like Marathon Oil or possibly Jets ETF. As you guys know, I definitely want to jump back into SPG. I did a video last week or earlier this week on when I wanted to do that after they paid their dividend, to see if it did drop what I expected to drop. So that will be all for today, guys. So like I said, on Friday I will be doing a video, or Saturday I'll do a video to give you on the week 1 of 52 weeks of how much I made or lost on my first week. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Please subscribe and comment below.